Right, I'm off on a quick gravel bike ride. Still not feeling that well, so no, haven't felt like wild camping. Hang on. Yeah, it's off on a gravel bike ride. Not too far, probably about 15 miles max. Got a hot chocolate and a flask down here. It's pretty cold, but dry, so that's a win. I'm heading. Down there, the old railway line. So let's get on with it. Onto the road for a bit. There's a steep climb, but this route's pretty level really. Let's get it. Alright, Forest of Bere. Hopefully it's not too muddy up here. Really time for hot chocolate. I was going to try it up here, but it might be a bit of a pain in the arse, so I'll turn around back to the forestry track, I reckon. Right, this away. I've been rebuilding the jumps down here. Don't think I'll try it on the gravel bike somehow. Be alright on the mountain bike. Your little step down, so you got to get from there down to there. Old trusty Quad the Fur, still going strong, despite my minimal maintenance efforts. Usually got roadie tyres on and mudguards this time of year, but haven't been riding all that much. Got me hot chocolate and my go ahead bar and some green and blacks chocolate. So let's get this down my head whilst it's still hot. Shouldn't be too bad, I haven't cycled that far. Oh yeah, it's still pretty hot. Yeah, so still not feeling all that brilliant. Not you know, not on my deathbed or anything, but haven't felt like camping in the cold. The weather hasn't been great either, but hopefully that will soon sort itself out. Right, let's get out of here now. Starting to chill off a bit, the old sun's dipping. I've got lights on the bike, but should get back before dark. It's not that far to go. No big hills in the way, so that's good. Alright. Back to the main track. Forest of Bere, although we're only leaving this section and into another bit, but that's okay. Bit of an obstacle. If I had a bit more time I'd clear it, but oh well, cleared. Didn't take long. There we are, all cleared. Didn't take too long. It was well dead, so it wasn't too heavy. Alright. Right, nearly out the woods. And another section of woods. And then decide whether I'm going to go a bit further or just smash it back on the old railway line. Alright, nearly there. None too soon because I think the front light is about to die, but we're only about 5 minutes away now.